Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's me. See, this is me. Alright, welcome everyone here, welcome viewers, and thanks for staying with me on this channel. Today's video I'm going to be teaching you step by step on how to create a PayPal account. First of all, you go to Google and search www.paypal.com. This is it, paypal.com. That's all you need, paypal.com. Then you sign up, register for personal account. If you need it for a business account, you use it for a business account, but personal sometimes. I'll register for a personal account. Put in your details, your name, your home address, your phone number, your email. But in this video, I'm going to teach you the kind of email, the kind of phone number you need that's going to help you to make it free. After adding your name and your address and all of that, you go to tempmail, tempmail.com. Yeah, tempmail.com will help you, will give you a temporary email that you will use to verify your PayPal account for free. Just go to tempmail.com. Once you get your mail, your email address, then you get back to paypal.com. Get back to your PayPal account, and then you add an email there. And then to get your free number, you go to testnow.com. Testnow.com. This will help you to get a full number from any country. You can get US phone number, UK, United Kingdom, just anyone. Just take any one of them. Is it I use TestNow or anyone, where I prefer this TestNow. Okay, then after adding those information, then you go continue, and so once that is done, you'll be directed to a page that you should add your card. And in this process, you're being told to add your card, so you will need to pay some amount of money. But if you follow this step, you won't pay anything. You won't pay a dime. Okay, you go to yrexapp.com. yrexapp.com. This is it, what you need. Okay, yrexapp.com. And this yrexapp.com will help you to get a free debit card. A free debit card. Yeah. I know it's shocking to you, but you just have to believe me. When you get here, you will need to fill in your details, your home address and all of that. But I'll also give you a clue. You can go to www, or you don't even need www. It's a long process. You can just go search and where is it again? Did I just forget something? Please, a little time. Okay, fake UK number. Okay, number generator. Fake US. No, sorry, what am I writing? Fake UK address. Okay, fake UK address. You just click on this one, then you'll be directed to a page. You'll see series of home address with a phone number and a mails connected to it and all of that. Then from there you take the numbers and all of that, the address and everything, take it and put them in the Yrexapp. So when the information comes out, the information, the address that you pasted, that you use for this same paper account in the first place, is the same address you should use. And then make sure you use UK, because Wise app, they don't accept US. You're requesting for US card, it won't work for you. You understand? Okay, so you will need to put the address and the phone number. You take your phone number from this test now. Okay, take your phone number from test now. Then you place your fake US address, UK address. Sorry. Okay. Once that is done, the next thing you need to do is to continue the following process. And as soon as you're done with all this, okay, you still need to add a mail so that the information will be sent to your mail. So you add a temp mail, and in just a couple of minutes you'll get it. Your card, something like the card number, the expiring date, the date, the CVV, the number, and all of that. And once you're done with that, you come back to your paper account, and then you place all your stuff there. Once that is done, you will need to verify your email, verify your phone number. You understand? Then you go to temp mail, you refresh, you see the message there. That's two. You go to test now, you refresh, you see the message there. Copy them all on paper, on your PayPal account, and then you are set to go. Now your PayPal has been fully verified. Once that is done, you can add any other card, any other credit card that's of your own, so you can use it to collect money. You understand? Or be moving money, or anyone, as the case may be. So thanks for joining me. These are the steps I've just given you. You need the temp mail, test now to get a number, Wirex app to get your debit card, then fake UK or US address. It's fake. Everything is happening. So thank you for joining me. Bye. Make sure if you like this video, drop a like, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is my channel, and please don't forget to share. If you like this video, please comment down below any address, or any wait a minute. Anything to add to the video, please don't hesitate to do so. Comment below. Bye. See you in the next video.